Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a futures trading tutorial. I'm going to be looking at a few of our indicators here because first of all, we've had a great range breakout from the ES today, but it did come back to test the range. And for those sensible traders that watch all of these videos, you would have taken the 50 tick move from this breakout where this blue line is here, or at least made it risk-free when it got to 50 ticks. To be honest, for me, 25 ticks, 20 ticks, I'm risk-free anyway. It pushed down, came back up again to test that range. You've not got a crystal ball at this stage. It could continue to go, but it turns around. That opening range did act as resistance for this move back up, and it's turned back around again. So what I've done is put two yellow vertical lines across all the charts. So on this 15-minute chart, we've got the two lines. We've got the move up and we've got the move down. So on smaller time frames, like the 1 minute, if you've made a 50 tick move here, but you see it turn back around again, you can't use the range breakout. You've got to use a different type of strategy. There's two options here. And you can use the expert algo on the 1 minute time frame, which is a 1 minute Heikin-Ashi, or you can use the roller coaster. Different types of strategies would get you in at different times. So here we can see those two yellow lines is, there's a space of 15 minutes here. We see that pull back, we start to come back down again. We get the 6-star sell from the expert algo, we go short. Similarly, a little later, but we still get it. Oh, sorry, earlier we get a signal here at 1634. That signal at this point here was 37. Sorry, 1634, and I am 37 here. So slightly earlier on this roller coaster, we get the signal to go short. We're in short, and the trailing stop's being printed right here to keep us to lock in profit on this trailing stop. Again, with this trading stop is set on the roller coaster. With the expert algo, again, it's just fortuitous that this was a little later. You're going to get in this at 3629. You got in this at 3635. So the roller coaster got you in a lot earlier. Quite a few ticks earlier actually, so you're actually locking in some decent profits with a trailing stop at 3627. Now, it's not always the case. The roller coaster may be later, but in this case it was earlier, and it's a great combination trade here where we get the 50 tick move on that initial range breakout. Does it come back? To be honest, what you're looking for during the day is a pullback against that initial move. It happened early today, but what happens is that roller coaster, or indeed the expert algo, on different time frames, if I change, would actually wait for that pullback, and if it returned to that main move, it gets you in the trade. So take the 50 ticks. If it continues to go down, fine. At some stage there will be a pullback, and then the roller coaster or the expert algo will pick that up and you'll go short. So if I put the expert algo on the 3 minute, for example, the short actually was here at this point. I'm going to put a vertical line in there. I'm going to change the color on that one, and I'm going to put that on all charts. So that 6-star sell actually was during this move out where we got the breakout on the 3 minute. You would have still got out at the same time because the manager still got you out. But again, now you are looking on this 1 minute. If this trailing stop gets taken out on the roller coaster, you could in fact get another signal, whether it's on the 3 minute or on the 5 minute, for an expert algo short, or even if we go to 10 minutes, for example, or even 15 minutes on the same time frame as the breakout. We got the roller coaster, the expert algo signal, 6-star sell on this candle here, okay, on this second candle. So when it started to return down on the 15-minute time frame, on the same time frame as this breakout, we have indeed a 6-star sell signal on the expert algo. multiple time frame approach, different types of trading strategies, but giving you really good continual trading opportunities. Check out the links below the video for all of these indicators. Have a great day. Speak to you really soon.